Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for cute and stylish slides for this summer, check these ones out from TETSUO. Now, immediately you'll find that these are super trendy. They've got a really nice 2-inch heel, they have that double strap at the top, a cork wedge, just so cute. Now, these are not adjustable. I have a bit of a wider foot, so they fit me very comfortably. They have a nice stretch with that elastic on top, but just something to keep in mind if you have a narrower foot. When I chose my size, they only came in half sizes, so I went up half a size to a 9.5. They fit me really well, and I have a little room to spare. The bottom has a nice grip, so you feel very secure. They're great to wear with a dress or even more dressed down with a pair of shorts or jeans. Really versatile to go with whatever style you're rocking. Overall, the quality of these shoes is excellent. I like that it has arch support as well. They're a great color as well. You will look super stylish this summer wearing these slides, and that's my point of view.